Heads up, new severe thunderstorm warning issued for Morgan County. Heads up, new severe thunderstorm warning issued for Lawrence, Limestone. Severe thunderstorm warning for Colbert, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Morgan. Severe thunderstorm watch for Colbert, Coleman, DeKalb, Franklin, Jackson, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Lincoln, Madison, Marshall, Morgan. As of now, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Lawrence, Alabama, Limestone, Alabama, Morgan, and Alabama until about 6 p.m. You can expect hail and damaging winds around 60 miles per hour. The storm is moving northwest at around 20 miles per hour. Head indoors immediately. Stay away from windows and